Bangladesh is one of the largest manufacturers of textile items in the world. Arien Knit Composite Ltd started its textile business activity from 2016. As part of our continuous growth strategy, in 2023, we established our own knit composite manufacturing industry at Kashimpur, Gazipur Industrial Area. Presently, we are producing knit fabrics from grey to various dye and finished products. Knitting section is a major strength of Arien Knit Composite Ltd. We have installed world's best-class latest technology-based machines for producing major kinds of design fabrics with desired quality. We have scopes to produce jersey, fleece, terry, waffle, rib, interlock, plaited double jersey, semi-jacquard, mesh and other fabrics. AKCL laboratory is well designed with automatic machineries and equipment. Maximum machineries came from Data Color, USA and James Hill, UK. We have a highly skilled technician team to develop and support our customers as well as ensuring international quality standards of produced goods. AKCL's major strength is dyeing and finishing section. We always work for sustainable manufacturing process. In this strategy, we have installed energy-efficient latest machineries. AKCL has 27 sets of high-temp winch dyeing machines. By using modern machineries, branded auxiliaries and optimized process, we continue dyeing cotton, viscose, modal, tencel, polyester, polyamide and their blends easily with low amount of liquor and utilities. Mostly European and Turkish origin machineries have enriched our finishing section. We have two automatic fabrics slitting machines specially designed for heavy dust collection. For fabrics dyeing, we have 3 sets of 10-chamber stenter machines. To maintain proper dimensional stability and fabric weight, we are using compactor machines and tumble machines. We also have double drum raising machines and fabrics rolling inspection machine.
Total 5.6% RNG we are now making business of the world. We are very proud that Arien Knit Composite Ltd joined in this board.
Arien Knit stores its dyes and auxiliaries in a separate building by compliance policy. Its fabrics warehouse is also well segregated in a separate building. AKCL has PVA gel-based biochemical effluent treatment plant (ETP), where we can easily treat 2,400 cubic meters of water per day. We are using green technology like hot water return module, condensed return, recovery of generator jacketing water, exhaust gas boiler, solar power and rain harvesting machineries in our utility area. MWM natural gas generator from Germany, REB substation and diesel generator ensure 24-hour continuous power supply.
Our main goal is not making a profit. We also some responsibility in our society as well as our country. We like to reduce carbon emission and make the business sustainable and also satisfied our customer and also their demand.
Natural boiler and exhaust gas boiler produce enough steam that AKCL requires. By supporting backward linkage and exporting textile goods, Arien Knit Composite Ltd continuously strengthens the Bangladesh economy. Our mission is to support customers for achieving their goal by fulfilling standard quality and commitment.